Hey guys, how are you? I really hope you guys are doing well. And today we are doing a different kind of video. So I'll be reading some funny text messages regarding school. So let's go. First one. Hey dad, yeah, I'm going to drop out of high school. That's okay. Really? Yeah, but remember this. What? I don't like tomatoes on my Big Mac. Mummy, the school's being really unfair to me. Why? What are they doing? They are punishing me for something I didn't do. That is out of order. I'm coming over there right now. By the way, what was it you didn't do? My homework. That kid is smart, okay? Hey dad, come pick me up. I am suspended. What did you do this time? Nothing. My teacher asked me a simple question and I gave a simple answer. What did she ask and what did you say? And you're grounded. She said I had 5 bottles in one hand and 6 bottles in the other. What do I have? I said, a drinking problem. You're ungrounded for learning, my smart ass talent. Son, you're in big trouble. Why? Because you're texting me while you're in school. Are you serious? You texted me first. Dad, I got in a fight today at school, but I didn't start it. If you didn't start it, it's fine. You never throw the first punch. I know. You throw the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Then, when he is on the ground, you have the first, second, third, and fourth kick. Then, when the teacher comes, you give the first excuse. Dad, are you okay? And that's it for this video. I'm not sure how you guys liked it, but I wanted to do something different and make stop making you guys all stressed about work and studies. So yeah, like this video if you liked it, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.